In 2018, Zamudio reduced to 3,449,449 kilos of waste collected, 2,806,690 of which were classified as other waste. This means that 81% of the waste collected in Zamudio is difficult to reuse or recycle, an issue which brings about costs to the environment. Moreover, its collection and transportation entailed a cost of €343,954.80 and the cost of treating this waste, which is higher when the waste cannot be reused or recycled, amounted to €275,167.65. Correct classification of waste is essential for minimizing the environmental impact of human activities, but also for reducing the waste treatment costs citizens pay through the town hall. In Zamudio, these savings will be reflected in municipal taxes, what has proved to be an effective tool for reducing waste management costs both to the environment and the citizen.
In Zamudio, we want to share the savings that separate waste collection allows in waste management with citizens who are involved in it. This is the reason why, in the context of Waste for Think project, we have redesigned our taxes. The idea is to reward those who are really involved in separating waste, and that the overcost of not separating goes to those who generate the most waste and who do not dispose of it selectively. We have followed the model of pay-as-you-throw system, which is known as PAYT system. According to this, the tax is calculated for each household, taking into account how they separate waste.
The goals are to reduce the amount of waste generated, to reduce the use of the other waste container, and to foster the use of different containers for each of the separate waste fractions, thus encouraging the 3 R's of circular economy: use, reuse, and recycle.
Our first aim with the Waste for Think project is to support responsible consumption, using necessary products only and avoiding the generation of waste.
Retail or bulk purchasing and the use of reusable bags and packages reduce the consumption of single-use plastics, in addition to helping prevent food waste. Waste classification is essential for facilitating the reuse of resources and raw materials, and ultimately, the recycling, turning them into new products.
We have developed a new app, Bota, that will be part of our app for citizen information at Zamudio, and that will solve any question regarding each kind of waste and the container where it should be disposed of. It is free to download and it is out on Google Play and Apple Store. At the same time, we have developed a paper guide. We have tried to be as precise as possible and to gather every kind of waste that could be generated at home. Our PAYT system is based in our citizen cards. From now on, these cards will be needed to open waste containers, and they will be used afterwards to calculate the waste tax, according to waste generation and waste separation in each household.
This way, there will be a basic and a reduced type of rate, and those who use separate containers for waste will be rewarded with reductions in both type of rate. Nonetheless, the use of the residual waste fraction will result in additional payments to make up for the generated overcharge. So we will foster citizen commitment regarding the respect for the environment, and we will engage citizens in the reduction of waste collection and treatment service cost we will all pay.